My name is Alex Attumalil. I am the Director of Global Cybersecurity at Under Armour. Before Vectra, we had challenges in trying to reduce the amount of time it takes to define what an intrusion is and quickly understand what happened in the space and quickly move forward with remediating or mitigating the threat. Vectra brought us the amount of time that it takes from an analyst to kind of put together all of the detections and the anomalies that they have identified to kind of going straight to where the potential impact is and quickly remediating it, reduce that time considerably. Cognito was officially Cognito, I believe, about 2 years ago. And before that, it was definitely Vectra Behavior Detection, and we've been a customer of Vectra for 4 years now, and we've kind of grown with the product, and we believe behavior detection is definitely something we need to augment the signature detections that we have in place. So what we are trying to do now is integrate that with our SIEM. So we have a common reference point to kind of bring our user behavior as well as our network behavior together into one spot. Integration with some of our endpoint detection tools as well to quickly pivot over to what really happened on the endpoint is also a big plus. The advice I would give my peer about Vectra is this is a tool that would actually augment your signature detection, and behavior detection is a requirement these days because signature detection is going to catch everything that you have in your environment. With Vectra in place, Vectra was able to kind of do all the grunt work that we needed to do, kind of putting together why a behavior is bad, and then we were able to just track down the who is doing what in that scenario and quickly remediate the scenarios. The pleasant surprise working with Vectra is the ability for me to have access to kind of the engineering side of things, as well as some of the new capabilities that are coming out that we haven't really had the experience of doing with some of the other big vendors that we deal with. Vectra has been very open with kind of working with us to kind of tailor the tool to our environment. So the Hunt Club, obviously, this is the first time you guys are doing it. This was a great opportunity for me to kind of meet the peers that are actually running Vectra and learn from them to kind of understand how they deploy it in their space. So everybody from the HBO team to A&M, Texas A&M, and some of the other peers that I have, they're all kind of using Vectra in different constructs, and they may not be exactly what we use Vectra in. So it's always nice to learn what are some of the other applications that we have in place for Vectra. So this is where the value add really is.